Hey guys, it's Rachel here. I just wanted to jump on with a super quick voiceover for the beginning of this video, and then I'll kick it over to music per usual. Um, what I'm working on today is actually a Christmas gift I had made for my son, so I can put it up now that he already got it, because he does watch my videos from time to time, so I needed to be sure he didn't see it early. But anyway, what I did is when I fell in love with Tim Holtz vignette finials, I think they're called, if I'm saying that right, the vignette finials. It's a 4-pack of the little figures that you can get. The first time I saw them, I went, oh my God, these would make great chess pieces. So I got 2 sets and then finally got a chance to sit down and make a small mini, I don't I mean, it's a chessboard, but it's too small to be a real one. So I'm using a leftover piece of Barr wood I got from Michael's. At least I think that's what it's called. I think it's called Barr wood. But if you guys, anybody that does woodworking, you'll know which kind I'm talking about. So I just took this piece and using a ruler, because I can't do a straight line to save my life, and I got these silicone protective gloves, which thank God I did, because I almost torqued my finger when I was dragging it down. The glove actually sparked a little second, so I pulled my hand back. But in any case, I used the protective gloves to do the wood burning for the squares of the chessboard, and I'm sure the metal ruler got hot, but thankfully I didn't feel any of it. And then when I was done, I came in and I painted them. The dark squares I did with iridescent graphite by Liquitex. And then for the quote-unquote white squares, I used the FolkArt Dragonfly glaze. And this one had the red-purple, I think it was red-purple blue undertones. So you only see the purple tint to it when you tilt it, to catch the light. Because I didn't want it to be all purple, but I thought it added a nice little something to the white spaces. Then for the black chess pieces, I painted those also in the iridescent graphite, and then did the natural wood ones with a coating of the iridescent glaze from the FolkArt. Really nice stuff if you've never used it. But I had to go over the white squares just to make sure that the iridescent glaze would catch. You have to have a surface for it to stick to, and I wasn't sure if the white or the wood surface was going to be enough to hold it. So I went through all the white squares with clear gesso and then came back over it. And then to seal everything, the little pieces and the whole little mini chessboard, I used I think 2 layers of the triple thick gloss sealant or varnish or whatever you call it. I got it off of Amazon. If I remember, I'll try to put links down to everything that I got. But like I said, the focus was the little finial pieces from Tim Holtz. I freaking love them. And seriously, I could not have found more figures or figures more perfect than other than actual chess pieces, because I can't wood carve, so I bow down to the ideology for all the stuff that they make for Tim's collection. It's just amazing. So anyway, I'm gonna put the rest of this to music, but like I said, just basic supplies for this, and hopefully you guys are having a great new year. I'm just popping on with this because I remembered I had forgotten I had filmed this when I was working on my computer, so I figured let me put this up so I got a video coming up until I can get back onto a regular schedule. So like I said, take care, stay safe, wishing everybody a very happy new year and wishing all kinds of good things for 2024. So take care, stay safe, and I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.
Yeah!